classes. In this video, I am going to explain or discuss refraction of light and the cause of refraction of light. Refraction of light. Light travels in a straight line through any medium of uniform density. What is uniform density? If a small volume of a body may be rigid, that is solid, or fluid, that is air or liquid, have the same density throughout, called uniform density. Light, suppose this is air medium, light travel in a straight path. Suppose glass, light travel in a straight path. When there is any one medium, that is single medium, the path of the light ray be the straight, there is no changes. But when a ray of light travels from one transparent medium to another, suppose air to glass, it suffers change in its direction. The bending of a ray of light as it passes from one medium to another is called refraction of light. Suppose this is air medium and this is glass medium. Light travel, that is incident ray, in this way, it incident at the point O. Suppose this is the normal, the light path, if there is single medium, the path of the light, but due to light changes its medium, air to glass, its path also changed. As air medium, the speed of light is greater than that of glass medium, so the path of ray bend towards the normal. Okay. Bending depends upon the optical density of the two media. Optical density. The speed of light in a given medium is taken as an indicator of its optical density. The more is the speed of the light in a given medium, the less is its optical density. There are two types of medium, rarer medium and denser medium. Rarer medium is one in which velocity of light is greater. Where there is greater the velocity of light, vacuum or free space or air has the least optical density as the speed of light is maximum in vacuum or air. The optical density least, that means speed of light will be greater. Speed of light in air medium or vacuum is near about 3 lakh kilometers per second. Now, what is denser medium? Denser medium is one in which velocity of light is lesser than water or glass. Speed of light in water medium is near about 2.25 lakh kilometer per second, and in ordinary glass medium it is 2 lakh kilometer per second. Suppose A, B, C, D are rectangular glass slab. The ray PQ falling on the glass slab at the point M, draw a perpendicular line this is normal N. PQ travel from air medium, that is rarer medium, to glass medium, that is denser medium. So its path bends towards the normal and moves along the line MN. Draw a normal at the point of incident, that is point N. Finally, the ray coming out from glass medium, that is denser medium, to original air medium, that is rarer medium. So the ray bends away from the normal. Okay. So PQ is the incident ray, MN is the refracted ray, and RS is the emergent ray. Angle I is the angle of incidence. The angle R is the angle of refracted. Angle R is less than I. The angle R and angle I1 is the incident angle. I1 is less than R, and this is the angle of emergent, that is E. Angle E is equal to angle I. Cause of refraction. The speed of light depends on the nature of the medium in which it travels. When light travels from a rarer medium to a denser medium, its speed decreases. On the other hand, we can say when light travels from denser medium to a rarer medium, its speed increases. The change of speed of light as it travels from one medium to another is the cause of refraction. Air medium speed of light 3 lakh kilometer per second, and glass medium it is 2.25 lakh kilometer per second. So the change the medium, the path of the direction of the ray will be changed. That is why the refraction of light would be happened.